All right, so here we go. We are doing a dry run today. Me and my buddy Pockets here, right behind me. We're doing a dry run for Sturgis. So we're going to do Sturgis this year, and this is going to be our little dry run video. We have these bikes loaded down with food, camping equipment like tents, sleeping pads, sleeping bags, rain gear, tools for the road. We got medical kits. We have all of our clothes. It's just like we're going to Sturgis. So we're going to test them all out today, like we're actually going to Sturgis. So we're going out about 50 miles from Roswell, and yeah, it should be pretty fun. Also, this is our first time ever going bike camping. That's a first time for Pockets and a first time for myself. I've never been bike camping, so this would be an experience on its own. So that's all I really have to say for now. I'll turn the camera back on when we get a little bit further down the road.
Hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times.
Alright, so we're getting a little bit closer now. There it is, Capitan. Alright, so we made it. There are the bikes. Here's the campground. Nice little flat spot here. Here's my luggage. Everything in this bag is food related, propane, stove, food itself, and some camera equipment. This bag is literally everything camping. Everything but the pad. The pad's gonna be in here, and then in here is the sleeping bag, tent, chair, everything else. Got my bladder to cook my food, and then in here is rain gear. My bottle of water, got some tools for the road just in case. All the rain gear, chat. And this is it. This is Pocket's bike. Be a fun little test run. All right. Time to set up camp. All right, so I thought I would give you a tour of the camp site for our Sturgis dry run. About to start lunch there. Got the tents. This is Pocket's tent. Here's my dinky little thing. Maybe I'll check in later once we got dinner going. Oh, nice. Nice little pocket for the fireball. That's pretty dope. Mine doesn't have no pocket. Alright, so we're packing up camp here. Getting the bikes loaded up. Getting the camp taken down. He's doing the sleeping bag now. This is my tent. Tent's cleared out. I'm gonna take this puppy down. Well, that's the last of camp. Camp's all packed up. Time to make breakfast, but I will not be able to do this with one hand, so. Pocket's ripped his pants. He doesn't want to show. Ah! Oh, okay, here we go. He wants to zoom in. I get it. All right, so this is, I'm having biscuits and gravy. These things are usually pretty damn good, so. It's actually pretty good. There's like a little bit of crunch to the biscuit, like the biscuit was baked. It's actually pretty good. And there's a little bit of sausage. It needs pepper though. Mr. Pockets is having the same thing, but I'm sure he won't give a detailed review like I just did. Do it for the vine. Do it for the gram. Do it for the thumbnail.
That does have a little bit of crunch.
Pretty good though, right?
It has a little bit of pepper, but it could use more.
Time to pack up these bikes.